Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, meet again with me, Nikita Dewi. In this video, we will learn one of the compulsory grade 11 mathematics materials, namely the linear program. In this video, we will learn to determine the area of the solution set of the linear inequality system. And also, we will learn to determine the system of linear inequalities if the area of the set of solution is known. Okay, let's just go to the discussion. Okay, now we learn the linear inequality of two variables. This is the prerequisite material that friend must master before we learn linear programming. Okay, for the first, we recognize the general form of the linear inequality of two variables. Inequality use a hyphen such as greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. Linear two variables. This is two variables which are called two variables, namely x and y, and a and b are coefficient, and then c is constanta. Okay, next we will determine the set area for the two variables linear inequality solution. For example, determine the set area for solving inequality 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. What are the steps we need to take? For the first, we find the x-intersection and y-intercept for the equation of the line 3x plus 2y equals 6. How to find the intercept? The x-intersection when y equals 0 and the y-intersection when x equals 0. So, my friend make a table like this. First, we replace x with 0. If x equals 0, then 2y equals 6 remain. Then y equal 3. And if y equals 0, then 3x equals 6 remains. Then x equals 2. So, the intersection is 2.3 and 2.0. Okay. Next, we determine the set area for solving inequality 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. We just use the test. We test it with 0.0. Then substitutions into inequality. 3 times 0 plus 2 times 0 greater than or equal to 6. And then 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. And the last 6 greater than equal to 6. This is false, so the settlement area is above the line or to the right of the line. This is the line 3x plus 2y equals 6, and the area of the solution is to the right of the line. Okay, next we determine offset area of solution without a point test. For linear equation ax plus by equals c, friends only need to see the x coefficient or the value of a only. For a is positive or a is greater than 0, if the sign is more than or greater than equal, then the area is to the right of the line. Next, for a is positive or a is greater than 0, if the sign is less than or less than equal to, then the area is the left of the line. Next, for A is negative or A is less than 0, if the sign is more than or greater than equal, then the area is to the left of the line. And for the last is A negative or A is less than 0, if the sign is more than or less than equal to, then the area is the right of the line. For example, determine the area of the set of solution 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15. First step, you find the intersection of x and y. If x equals 0, then y equals 3, and if y equals 0 and x equals 5. Next, you make graph. Then place the cut point 0.3 and 5.0. Then we connect them. Then we don't need to test this point to determine the set area. We use the previous table. Because A is more than 0 and the inequality set is less than equal to, the area is the left of the line. Next, find the area of the set of solutions for two variables linear inequality system. Here the inequality system means more than one inequality. Okay, for example, determine the set area for solving the following inequality system: 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4, 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 6, x greater than or equal to 0, and y greater than or equal to 0. First step, you find intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. 2x plus y equal 4. If the x equals 0, then y equal 4, and y equals 0, then x equal 2. Okay, for the second, you find intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. 2x plus 3y equals 6. If x equals 0 and y equals 2, and then if y equals 0, then x equals 3. This is graph for the example earlier, and this is line for 2x plus y greater than equal to 4, and this is line for 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 6. Because the sign is more than the area is 1, right? This 1, 2. Next is the area for x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. It can be concluded that the settlement area is affected by all area. The last one, we will study determine the linear inequality of two variables if the area of the set of solution is known. First, you must be able to determine the straight line equation. Suppose there is a straight line crossing the x in A and yx in B. This is line ax plus by equal a times b. And then determine the settlement set area using per the finite method. For example, find the inequality whose solution area is defined in the area below. This is the graph. See the y-intercept is 3, then it will be the x coefficient, and y-intercept is 2, which will be the y-axis coefficient. Since the area is on the left and x is greater than 0, the sum of the inequality is less than equal to 6. For example, find the inequality whose solution area is defined in the area below. From this figure, we will look for the inequality system. The first line intersection the y-axis at 4 and intersection the x-axis at 3. Then the second line intersect the y-axis at 3 and intersect the x-axis at 5. Then the area is above the first line. The sign of the inequality is greater than. And the area of second line is the under the line. So the inequality C is less than equal to. Then see that the area doesn't exceed the x and y axis. So at the inequality x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. So the system of inequality is 4x plus 3y greater than equal to 12 and 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15, y greater than equal to 0, and then x greater than equal to 0. That's enough from me. Hopefully it's useful what I have said. If there is an error, please forgive me. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.